Look how trendy these are, guys. This reminds me of one YouTuber. I can't remember their name, but they always have neon signs everywhere. They're all at Target now. I'm in Target right now, guys, and I found the movie I want, the new Maleficent movie, and there's all these books I see all over Bookstagram, and this one's a good deal. I kind of want this edition because I don't have it. Look at all the books. They're everywhere. There's the Maleficent one over here. I just had a fun little trip to Target real quick, guys, and had to do some errands, so didn't really vlog too much, but went ahead and got me some new nail polish, so we're gonna be looking real nice. And I got that new Maleficent movie. I'm so excited to watch this, guys. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. I just love that shine on it. And look, I got all my Maleficent books over here. The first one, The Heart of the Moors. I can't wait to read all of them. And now I got the second movie. Saw the first movie and really loved it, guys. So I'm so excited about this one. And I also got The Crimes of the Fantastic Beasts movie 2. All about this villain over here. Hopefully it's good. How the first one ended, I'm like, he doesn't seem like too much of a cool villain to really even care about, but we'll see. Hopefully that's good, guys. So those are some of the goods I got today. Say hi, Maleficent. Being all cute, my little cat. This is where I keep all my candles that I'm not using right now under my bookshelf. And I'm working on like trying to redecorate this area, guys. I need to restack my little book stack nice again. Just been moving things around, trying to redo my bookshelf. I gave it a little bit of red for Chinese New Year. I put some roses up for Valentine's Day. Maleficent's just being cute. You turned my ring over, Maleficent. Love you. Meow. Meow, meow. What are you doing? Being real cute. Being all playful. Oh, okay. Oh, what you doing? Hey guys, just got off of work, totally chowed down on some guacamole I got at the grocery store, and I got this 3D Crest charcoal toothpaste. Hopefully this helps my yellow teeth. We need some white teeth up in here. And I did order some books on Amazon, guys. So I got The Queen of Air and Darkness in the Dark Artifact series. I can't wait to start the series, guys. And I got Ghost of the Shadow Market. I'm so excited for the new Chains of Gold series to be released. So I'm like, let me get a little bit more info from some in-between series. Hi, Maleficent. And find out about this one too. Match all my little Shadow Hunter stuff over here. And I just got this book today too, guys. The last book in the Court of Thorns and Roses series. And this isn't how it's officially gonna look, but I just put some stuff out, guys, because it's the new moon tonight. There's like 2 or 3 rituals I want to do in here for the new year that start with the new moon, / me just doing my own abundance, wealth, and manifestations for the new year. So I started to put some stuff out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take my cleansing shower right now. I got my Liberta Sacred Salt from the Witch's Moon, and there's also a money draw spray. So this has got the money energy, calling money to you. It's even got jasmine flowers in here, which is perfect because today's Chinese New Year's Eve and Chinese New Year's in China right now. So I got all my goods out, even got my little sigil going over in the corner. So I'm so excited, guys. Got all the magical vibes going. Time to go take my cleansing shower. It's just so pretty, guys. Look at it. It's so magical. The lighting's really not the brightest in my room. Here we go. Just looks so beautiful, guys. It smells amazing. Can't wait to take that good old cleansing bath. Get ready for my ritual. Look how cute this is, guys, for the Year of the Rat at my American grocery store. They got a little cute rat. It's so cute for Chinese New Year. Got Mason in the cart, gonna get some groceries. There's a couple plants over here. It's in my favorite aisle, you know, just getting a little bit of wine, some champagne. What do I want today? Just joking, guys, but I'm gonna check out what my list is and go ahead and get me some stuff. Get some groceries, let's see. Looks like this is my list, time to go get the goods. Let's get some bell peppers, guys. Let's find a good one. This one's not too shabby. Put this one in the bag. Oh god. I'm gonna get some avocados. had cereal in so long, guys, and I saw this, and I'm like, heck yeah, childhood memories right here. Popping this in the cart, and Mason really wanted some Reese's Puffs. Other vlogs, guys, someone asked what meatballs I use for my vegetarian spaghetti, and I use these. So this is the brand I use, and usually I get a lot of fake meats from over here. Get myself all the goods. I always love getting this one, but today I'm gonna make some Mexican food, so I'm gonna go ahead and use these chicken strips and save the sauce for something else, or just throw it away and make me some Mexican food today. But yep, this is where all the goods are. Look how pretty the orchids are, guys. They're so beautiful. Usually they're like dead looking, but today they're looking pretty nice. Pretty nice. Matching my bracelet. Feeling those Maleficent vibes after watching the movie with this background. Little YouTuber rant. I haven't had this water here at the grocery store for like almost a week, guys, and finally have it. I love this. Like the other ones don't taste the same. It's all about this brand. I love it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this baby in the cart. Anyways, guys, my review of Maleficent 2, that movie was so good. I give it 5 stars. The ending, everything was so beautiful. And I need to get me some tissues. Are these the Plus Lotion ones? The ones that help out? Oh, here we go. We need some of these. Because my nose always is so runny and I get allergies with the mountain weather. So popping these in the cart. Cute little Valentine's Day stuff and Valentine's Day cards. How cute. Not being mean, he wants to be in the cart. Putting these in there too. Gonna offer this Scented Master some cereal right now. Got the incense going. Time to do a little prayer. Forgot to vlog earlier with me saging the house, guys, so I just relit the sage for vlog content. I totally forgot to vlog my lunch I made. It was really good, but I posted Instagram stories, so I'm like, really? Forgot. So I'm gonna give you guys a little content, a little bit of smudge action. May the sage bless you, purify and cleanse your mind, body, and spirit. May all your sickness, illness, and disease be gone. So mote it be. Blessings to you all who are watching. Just so fun to smudge your space, guys, especially my family's sick right now, so purifying the air, letting the healing energy of Gaia just bless my space with my intention and affirmations and all that good stuff. My intention, my spells, cleansing my feng shui ball. So it's also good, guys, to go ahead and smudge yourself, get all the nooks and crannies, all the crystals, jewelry, make sure you're all nice and aligned. 7 chakras clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light. Giving myself a nice good old little smudge. Giving you a little smudge too. People don't show, guys. Look at this. My altar is so messy. I just went ahead and groomed my plants outside. Like I pruned them, trimmed them, and all that. And these are just its and bits of Russian sage. So gonna not let any of the sage go to waste and use it, guys. And then I got crystals out. We got herbs. We got potions, candles. We got Book of Shadows. We got all the magical tools all over the place. And it's like a hot mess, guys. So I need to clean this. I need a shower. I need to put my camera away. See my underwear, but I got my new clothes that I'm gonna wear at home. Be cozy. Gonna transfer photos onto my... I'm gonna transfer photos to my phone from my camera. And also do... Oh, guys, I'm getting some allergies. And I'm also gonna try to edit some videos maybe. Or at least just get the video footage on here so I can edit videos soon. And if I have any time today, it's been a hot minute since I gotta cleanse my chakras, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge up my chakras too. Look how cute Maleficent is, guys. Just chilling. Oh, okay, we don't need to vlog that, but she's just chilling in my little area I made for my little bench area with my books. So it's just kind of a chill nook corner to read, for photos, for YouTube, and she's just chilling on my white fur, being all cozy, being all comf. Does it feel good, meow meow? You like it? She's so cute, but she's up in my space. Guess if I'm not here, you know, she could sit on it. Her black hair just gets all over the white fur though, and it's hard to get out, so gonna have fun cleaning that later. But hi, Maleficent. You look so dark. There we go. Now we can see you. Say hi.